All right, y'all. Today we are gonna be making some delicious Twix bites. So we started off with the mini vanilla wafers. And then we're gonna add Rollos on top. I've already taken them out of their packaging. Just gonna put one on each one of these mini wafers. All right, now that we're on our last row, we are gonna put these into a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 1 minute to 2 minutes. I'm gonna say probably 90 seconds. I'll let you know. All right, y'all, it was 90 seconds. Just enough for them to be warm enough for us to take our mini vanilla wafers and just squish it. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna squish it. I'll start over. Let's see. Squish. Make it like a little sandwich. Y'all, you don't understand. These taste just like Twix. I hope you do understand, because that means that you're gonna be making them. Let us know if you make them, because we love it. Some of our followers are starting to make our recipes, and you don't understand how exciting that is. That makes us so happy. Our comments are just wonderful. But everyone's so kind. And you know what? If somebody's not kind, it's okay. We get over it. We're not all perfect. Never regret being kind, though. That's for sure. All right, we're on our last 4. Now, when you're finished with this, you're gonna set them in the fridge for just a little bit, just to get them hardened so we can melt our chocolate. All right, now that our Twix bites are in the fridge, just chilling out, we are gonna melt 2 cups of chocolate. You ready? All right, y'all. Now they don't have to be super cold, but just chilled a little bit. And we're gonna take these and we're just gonna drop them on in. And I'm gonna cover it, I'm gonna coat it. And that's it. Just let it drip for 30 seconds. All right. There we go. All right, now that we have them all coated, except a few, we're gonna keep them just in case somebody doesn't want the chocolate on the outside. My friend Natalie. We're gonna put them in the freezer for about 15 minutes and then they will be ready. All right, y'all. They are perfect and they are finished. So I am gonna bite into one so that you can see what it looks like inside. Look how cute that is. It is a Twix. You have to make these.